Hello everyone. Today we will show how can unload protected sheet, Excel sheet without password. Sometimes we make our sheet is protected, but due to forget our password, we cannot modify our sheet. Sometimes most important sheet we cannot do. That's why we today we will show how can unlock password protected sheet without password. Friends, this is the file and show extension. If you doesn't show extension, then you go to the file to options to go to the view and click show hidden file and folder and below to and press OK. Now we can see extension. Then we go to the rename and write after extension write zip and press yes, enter and press yes. Now we are show this Excel file is like a zip file. Now we need to extract this zip file. Right click on mouse and click the extract file. Okay, I am using the zip software already. Extract file and press OK. Friends, we can see there is 4 file is there. Then we go to the Excel and we find in there is sheet, style and others. There is a worksheet. We enter the worksheet and we find in there is sheet 1. If more sheet in there, then you can show see there are more sheet in there. We just right click on mouse and open with, we are open as like WordPress. Okay, we are open as WordPress. Friends, now we need to delete some code. That's why we go to the find. Okay, I'm click the find and write is protection right and press is fine. Friends, you can see there is we find is sheet protections. We need to delete some file, some code is there. Okay, we are delete before the page margin. This is the page margin, before margin. Now we are select sheet protections. Okay, to margins, before margins. Friends, you can see in tag also start tag already is selected. No problem. We are delete this code and now make a in tag and start tag. Okay, our task is finished. Now we are save. Okay, file to save and now close and back 2 time, 1 and 2 time, and we can find is for folder and file. Then we are select using the mouse. Okay, for file select and right click on mouse and go to the send to the compress zipper folder. Okay friends, you can see, or again we are make a zip folder. Now we are rename. You can write anything, your file name, before dot extension we write in there Excel sheet without password unlock. You can write in there is everything and dot xlsx right in there and click on mouse. Yes. Okay friend, you can see our Excel sheet is written again. We find our previous Excel sheet. Now open. Friends, you can see our file is open. Also we can modify our sheet. Now you can modify your sheet very easy without data loss. Now you can solve your problem very easy. Thanks for watching. If you do not subscribe till now, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button.